Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a knit stitch. Materials that you'll need: a pair of knitting needles and a yarn of your choice. To do a knit stitch, you insert the right needle into the front loop of the first stitch on your left needle and then wrap the yarn around the right needle counterclockwise. Pull the yarn through the stitch on the left needle and slide the new stitch off the left needle. Repeat as many times as necessary, and that's how you do a knit stitch. Tips that you might find useful is just to make sure that you are wrapping the yarn the correct way around, so it should be around the right needle counterclockwise. Don't pull the yarn too tight or your stitches will be too tight and you'll struggle to get your needle through. And if you find that your stitches are too loose, tighten the yarn by pulling it a little bit as you're wrapping it around the right needle.